Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to remove or delete a owner account on Chromebook in 2025. So first of all, you need to have a Chromebook to remove or delete owner account or Chromebook. It can be also that you are trying to sign in to another Chromebook account, or you can just taking another Chromebook which was used before with a uh, account. So let's just get right into the topic. So first of all, to remove an account from a Chromebook, uh, you can remove the Chromebook on the Chromebook sign in screen. Select the profile you want to remove, then next to the profile name, select the down arrow, select remove this user. In the box that appears, select remove this user. When you remove an account, it's only removed from the Chromebook. The Google account itself, including its data setting, will still exist. So there you can see some problems, like I don't see the option remove this user. I want to remove the owner account, and account was removed automatically. So for I don't see option remove the user, you might be using a Chromebook that's managed by administrator like your work or school. To get help removing account, contact your administrator. And if you're facing that uh, you want to remove the owner account, the first Google account is used to sign in into a Chromebook usually becomes the owner account. To remove the owner account, you will need to erase everything on your Chromebook. It will remove all the data you have on the Chromebook, and last of all, an account was removed automatically. If this happens with you, then if your Chromebook is running low on space, the profile that hasn't been used the longest will be removed from your Chromebook automatically. If this happens, the Google account itself and any data and settings synced with the account will still exist. However, any item that person saved to your Chromebook, such as downloaded files, will be deleted. And if a profile gets removed from Chromebook, you can add that profile again. However, the files were downloaded by the account won't be restored. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.